Yeah, it's like crap but not crap. So I don't know. It's like shit, but you still watch it. You know, you're like, it's tolerable, tolerable. See, I've run out of hairspray. There's like nothing there anymore. Like, I could use, like press this thing about 3 more times and that's it. I have to get some new hairspray. Wouldn't it be cool if you bought some hairspray but it's like it lasts forever? That'd be so sweet. I'm so bored. Bored. Oh yeah. If you look outside, you'll see like just there on the tip of my finger, there's some like rubbish right there. It's like mostly paper and some other crap, right? Yeah, that was gay. I'll tell you why that was gay. Look at it outside, right? Look at the tree. It's going mental, right? Just look at it, right? It's just like it's like a fucking storm outside, right? It was worse in the morning. Like it was so bad. Like if you were to walk, it would just the wind would take you off your feet. It was that bad. Like yesterday, it said on the news we could be expecting a hurricane or something, and I was like, cool. Like I know it's weird, cool, but yeah, because nothing ever happens here, you know. So it would be cool, but not cool at the same time. Anyway, yeah, back to the trash story again. I just woke up. No. This is like 10 a.m., let's say, right? And I'm crashed out of my bed. And then you just hear this, Natai! Natai! Natai, get up! I'm like, what? What do you want from me? What the hell? Leave me alone! Just go away! And my dad's shouting at me. He's like, get that fucking trash outside and all this, right? And I go downstairs, right? I'm like half dressed. I'm just like, ooh, disorientated and all just fucked, right? So, ooh. I'm going downstairs as fast as I can, right? I get my shoes on. I realise, oh shit, you know, they're the wrong pair, you know. Got one shoes, different colour to the other, and, you know, I'm not even awake yet. And I get my shoes on, I get my coat. I'm wearing nothing underneath, it's just my coat, and it's just my legs, you know. Basically, that's what it was. It's like, haha, look at that guy, he's got no trousers on. That's what it basically was, and anyway. And I'm just there, like, quickly taking all these bags, this trash, to the front, right, so the people collect it. And I'm thinking to myself, what the fuck have I done to deserve this? You know, it's so bad. It's like freezing, and like the wind is so like powerful. It's like nearly took me off my feet. I was just there like, shit. It was mental, and you can see how much bags and everything. It's like tons of bags. Look. Yeah. What the fuck? They haven't actually taken the bags, so I've done all that for nothing, really, haven't I? Great. Yeah, that was pretty annoying. I don't know what to say anymore. Got something random. air fresheners in general. It's all crap because, first of all, air fresheners are just shit because all they do, right, say, you know, someone's just blown off in your room, you know, you're like, ah, fuck, it stinks here, so bad, and you spray this stuff, right, it makes it worse. It doesn't help. No, it doesn't help. It makes it worse. It smells like acid. You're just like, oh my god, what the hell? That's what they do. That's what they do. You see, it makes it smell bad, and then you think, oh shit, I better go and get another one. I better go and get another air freshener. You know? Think, people, think. Anyway, I'm gonna go now. So, bye, peace.